everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And guys, pauwi na kami. Ayan, galing kami sa Mega Box ulit. Hagad na face ko guys, sinaanto kasi ako. Kasama ko yung dalawa kong alaga dito sa loob ng double decker bus. Sobra na hagad na ang face ko guys. Hagad na tayo.
Oh yeah.
So, abangan nyo mamaya guys, baka mag-live ako. Ayan, thank you so much everyone. Sa walang sawang support sa kay Ate Femix Vlog. Ayan, God bless us all guys. Maraming salamat. Ayan, matatapos na naman yung araw natin.
It's still a little bit morning, but the moon is still here. But why in the morning I also saw moon, Papa? Because that means the moon was rising. The moon now it's in the middle.
Which one ba? Ah, the moon, yeah.
Well, what color is your? My color is white. Also white. What? Why? Well, why it's not green? It's white.
Ayan, medyo traffic na guys. Oh.
Maybe us.
Ayan,
Maybe
traffic na.
someone-
Medyo ma-traffic na tayo.
Maybe